Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines brought to you by Options Legion.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook brought to you by Options Legion. Joining me today is Greg from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Greg?
The oil-dollar pair exploded 4.4% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Texas cryptocurrency miners may have to wait up to a few months for approval to connect to the state power grid, according to operator Electric Reliability Council of Texas, Inc. Oil jumped about 2% with investors worried about tighter supply as mounting civilian deaths in Ukraine increased pressure on European countries to impose sanctions on Russia's energy sector. The global market for nuclear missiles and bombs should surpass $126 billion within 10 years, up nearly 73% from 2020 levels, according to a report by Allied Marketing Research, as Russian aggression in Ukraine spurs military spending. Australia's RBA rate statement will be released at 0430 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 0430 GMT. The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The French industrial output at 0645 GMT. The Eurozone's Econfim meeting at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here at Options Legion, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.